Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD app stopped working after an update, this usually means the update did not install cleanly on your phone software or your phone software is not fully compatible yet. First, start by restarting your phone to refresh the system after the update. Next, check if there is another TD app update available. Go to the App Store, search for the TD Bank app, and then check if there is another TD app update available or not, as bank often release quick fixes after major updates. Also, make sure that your phone's operating system is also up to date. If the app still does not open properly, uninstall the TD app and reinstall it from the App Store. To uninstall, long press on the TD Bank app icon, then remove app, delete app, then go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it from there. Then after reinstalling it, open it and log in again and allow all the required permissions when prompted, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.